So where you go to? Where you at? Get on the boat down there. Get down there on the boat and look at me. Look at me, tell me what you want. Look at me with both eyes. You gonna look at me? You done told me I wasn't listening. Okay, I hear you. I heard you that time. I heard that squirrel that time. Here I come, squirrel. Here I come. Here I come, the pecan man. Come here, come right here. I got them right here for you. I got these here for you. I got these pecans for this here squirrel. I'm gonna break some of them up right here. Come here. Take this one out of my finger. Come on. This one out of my finger. Come here. Get down my finger. Come on. Come on. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. He was a nice squirrel at 6:30 in the morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. He was a nice squirrel. I'm gonna break these up right here, squirrel, for that bird. There was two birds over here a while ago. They was real close to me, and they kept looking at me. I'm looking down. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking down at the pecans and getting them broke up for the birds. I'll break these up for the birds right here. Raccoons can have these. I got all of them upside down. That way they upside down. They rock back and forth. They're easier to pick up. They're flat. They're hard to pick up. But they're upside down. They're easier to pick up. Lockjaw, he loves the easy kind. He loves it when they're easy to pick up. I just bought another bag of pecans yesterday. It was $10 for a bag. $10 and 29 cents or 49 cents. I think it was $10.29. But they worth it. They worth that money, that $10, just to watch them and feed them, get this close to them, talk to them. I hear that bird, that red-headed woodpecker. I'm gonna back up so that red-headed woodpecker can come up here. Red-bellied. He's a red-bellied woodpecker. He has the zebra stripes on his back. He's a small woodpecker. We have. Sound like that woodpecker went further down the road. We do have big woodpeckers here. Now, the swamps out there where I used to go hunt all the time. I used to love to go put the boat in the freshwater river and go upriver about 3 or 4 miles and get out and walk out in the middle of the swamps. And big old red-headed woodpeckers out there, Pecans. That mosquito ain't leaving that squirrel alone. A big old mosquito flying around that squirrel. Yeah. There's that woodpecker right there. There went that woodpecker. He flew by and seen me standing there. I'm gonna back up. See, that's a woodpecker right there. That right there's a woodpecker. That's a red-headed woodpecker right there. See, there's the other one right there. There's two of them. And see right here, there's the one right here that comes by all the time right there. That's the woodpecker right there that comes by. That's a male. I think that's a male woodpecker. And it's right here, the female. That one right there is the female. Or that one might be the male and the other one's the female. I'm gonna back on up a little bit further. And they'll come on down to the boat and get some pecans maybe. Come on down. I backed up, I'm over here now, bird. Oh, I can't even figure out what I'm doing nowadays with squirrels right there. Woodpecker's getting closer. Woodpecker coming this way. That squirrel, he ain't gonna let that woodpecker get none of them. He gonna eat all of them up. There's a woodpecker right there on the tree. Woodpecker fits and get on the boat. Come on, get down there on the boat, woodpecker. Come on. Come on, get on the boat down there. Come on, get on the boat. You're a little nervous of me. No, there's two of them. He might have got him a pecan then. Oh, here he comes back right there. He's on the fence right there behind that leaf. I'm not going to say anything else. That woodpecker's right there on that tree. He's been right there walking around and around. That's what that squirrel was looking at with that woodpecker. I don't know where that woodpecker went to. What you want? Get on down there on that boat. Come on. Come here. Watch his head pop up. Look at that head. Come on. You're getting down there, come on. I'm looking for that bird, that red bellied woodpecker. Wiping his mouth off. He jumped down now and he wiped his mouth off. Smelling where something else was. Another squirrel, I reckon. And the other squirrel up there. Do what you're gonna do. Don't be shy, do it. I told that raccoon, that squirrel, don't be shy, just do it. Hurry up, mosquitoes is biting my hand again. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna go inside and get some more pecans to put out. Because those birds, those two red bellied woodpeckers, they won't eat some pecans, and them squirrels will come back in a minute. That was two squirrels and there's a woodpecker right there. Right there. Look like he's cleaning himself. Alright, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna go get some more pecans and then that bird will come down too. Stop this video, stop.